Hi there, I'm James Musgrave, founder and CEO of Best Global AI, and I'm thrilled you're here. When you join our free plan at bestglobalai.com/signup, you're not just signing up, you're unlocking an entire AI-powered ecosystem designed to help you launch, market, and scale your ideas faster than ever before. First, you'll find 10 or more in-depth ebooks waiting on your desktop. You'll dive into marketing globally, where you learn localization checklists and cross-cultural messaging frameworks, so your brand resonates from Tokyo to Toronto. In Tariff Wars, you get insider tactics for navigating international duties and protecting your margins. Teaching gives you course design blueprints and engagement strategies, so you can transform your expertise into profitable online classes. Generating AI content hands you ready-made prompts and API workflows to spin up blog posts, social updates, and ad copy in seconds. Next, Interactive Landing shows you how to build conversion-optimized pages with no code, while Selling Shorts delivers storyboarding templates and hook formulas to make your TikToks and YouTube Shorts go viral. AI Creative Writing gives you co-authoring tools so you can break through writer's block and craft polished novels or scripts. Embellisher ChatGPT teaches you to embed AI into ebooks and tutorials. And Interactive Eleonora reveals advanced avatar design secrets so your bots feel truly alive. Finally, follower email lists arms you with email sequence templates and segmentation strategies that turn subscribers into loyal customers. But here's the real magic. As soon as you log in, your personal conversational avatar greets you by name and asks what you want to achieve, whether that's more sales, a global launch, or automating content workflows. Based on your goals, it recommends the precise ebooks and tutorials you need. Stuck on a step? Just ask. Your avatar taps into our entire knowledge base and delivers instant tailored advice. It offers contextual tips, like add a testimonial here to boost trust, and can even launch mini tutorial videos on demand. As you progress, your avatar tracks what you've completed and sends gentle reminders to keep momentum. When you finish one guide, it suggests the next logical action, maybe drafting your first AI-generated blog post or A/B testing your new landing page. All of this means you don't need a developer or technical background to harness enterprise-grade AI tools. Are you ready to transform your ideas into impact? Head to bestglobalai.com/signup and let your AI coach guide you every step of the way. I'll see you inside. We're all here to make AI personal for your clients, students, readers, and teams.